Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer money out of Shopify. Now, the first thing that you should do after signing into your account, you should go and click on Finance option right here and go to Balance option. And once you go to Balance, it will open this page. Just click on Move Money, and now you will find this page. Just scroll down till you find Transfer Funds from Balance. Then here you should add your account. So just here in this section to account, click on Add an Account and add all your account details. Then go back to the dashboard right here, click on the settings option, and now you will have to go to payments, and here you will find the payment method. Just click on manage on the top right side and go down below till you find this option, payout details. Click on change payout account. And after that, you should add your account information. Then you can simply transfer or withdraw your money. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.